So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can draw like a traditional drawing but in digital medium. It's rather easier than you think, so let's jump right into the video. I'm using Medibank Pen Pro for this process. It's a free software, you can download it from their official site in Google, and it's pretty good for the beginners. So for the first step, I'm creating a canvas first by clicking Ctrl plus N in keyboard with 280 by 280 pixel. Then go to the file option, then open the image as a layer option. After that, select a paper texture image which you can easily download from anywhere, Google or Pinterest. Okay, then after selecting it, just click open. Okay, so now we have a page to draw. Just create another layer on top of that to draw. For the next part, which is the drawing part, I'm using the acrylic brush which you can download from this add brush cloud option. Despite of its name, it's the only brush that gives you the actual pencil effect, especially on this software, like so. And another brush which is this eraser soft brush which you can also download from that same place. Use this brush to erase the unnecessary lines. Don't use the hard brush or it will not give you the same effect that it gives. And here we go for the tutorial part. So now enjoy this drawing with these brushes and all these options, and leave a like and comment after that. See you guys in the next video.
Da 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 da